This Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Central Property video is presented by Kim Wade. Plumbing system did not hold positive pressure at time of winterization. Inside the basement area, the main water line will need replacing before can be activated. The main electric line is disconnected from house. This will require repair by licensed electrician and then EEP will send out an inspector to approve. No utilities activated. Property being sold as is. Property was built prior to 1978 and lead-based paint potentially exists. 2-bed, 2-bath unfinished basement could be finished out. For more information, review the details below or contact Kim Wade at 304-776-7653.